Menteri jong sarkar jala uba polling do uloong baga Jingkren jong ulat daga Ktien Hindi hinne kasngi kalong tang shibenta naga Jingkren bapura ka jong u kaba ula iPad daga jing tho haga Ktien pareng shushu uloong ba ha u shimet ukwa banyo Sngewthuh ga Jingkren haga Ktien kaba ula ban Sngewthuh ban ula pai kmat no jaga jing tho ban Sngewthuh ikimat jong ga Jingkren jong ulan.
If you go to the rules of conduct of business of the State Assembly, Rule 28 is very clear that a member can make a submission in his mother tongue, provided that same copy of the speech is made available to the speaker. That is as per the rule of this house. Ideally speaking though, when you communicate, I would have preferred an address in a language that I can thoroughly understand. But today, to compensate for that, what I did was read the governor's speech in English, and reading is far better because you can internalize all points of the speech better than listening to a language which I can only half understand. The speech of the governor was placed on the table, on every member's table. 1. 2. What he delivered was an abridged version of the speech. He did not cover the entire speech, which was covered by the written text. Okay? The written text had many pages. The governor spoke barely 15 minutes. There is no question of any imposition to the extent that Hindi is considered the official. Even constitutionally, Hindi is the official language of this country. It is not the national language of this country.
Yakan niya uba pol ulah keren hadin bagi saungat di MLA ka VPP kilami jendat hadin ba ulat ke jela uphagu chohan ulah keren daga Ktien Hindi hapok yung dorbar thawan hagas ngining kong jong ka dorbar mang tingka mentagasni.